Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is September 14, 2019. Here to give you all the news according to the charts. You appreciate these videos. You see how simple it is to get price move forecasts in the shortest amount of time frame. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification as well so you don't forget when we upload these videos to YouTube. Like and share the video content as well, because for us, we are fully transparent and we're not hiding anything from you regarding our anticipation of market moves in the cryptocurrency space. We're going to show you that today with Ethereum and asking the question, is Ethereum a huge buy right now? Okay, you can see here as I zoom in on this price chart that the last time we did our video for Ethereum was on September the 7th, which is about 6 days ago. Right here, and the anticipation of our market move in Ethereum, you can see what's moving to the upside. And today the market has finally given us a pretty good move to the upside. We knew that this cryptocurrency was poised to see higher prices back here on the 7th of September, and if you wanted to, you could took some of this profit off right now where we are at, which will be around 5.5% at the top of today's trading day, because that $190 area did pose as a resistance area in Ethereum back here during the month of August. Okay, so more than likely you would see some weakness coming in at that $190 area, which is why the market currently on the daily time frame is closing off of the highs of today's daily price bar. Okay, so nevertheless, profitable trade into the market, 5.5%, 5.4% being had in the space. So now let's talk about it. Let's get rid of it. You guys can see that it was profitable right there. And we're going to talk about if Ethereum is still a huge buy. Okay, daily time frame, I don't see that much weakness really coming out on the price chart. So we're going to switch over to the weekly time frame real quick. And again, this opportunity in the market in Ethereum is still there. I'm still seeing the opportunity for this cryptocurrency to continue to see higher prices, specifically here on the weekly time frame. And being that it is on the weekly time frame, you will have to give at least that much time for the market to play out in Ethereum. So when I push it back over to the weekly price chart, you can still tell that the market can find resistance right here in between where we came to already at $190 or even $200. Okay, now those are two clean even numbers for the market, so don't really expect it to try to hit those numbers precisely. Okay, real quick look here on the daily time frame. Like I stated, it's still a pretty good move in this particular space in Ethereum. We will continue to expect it to continue to move higher. The only concern will be this $190 price level that can push Ethereum down to lower prices. Okay, we should be able to see that a little bit closer on the smaller time frames, and this is what we're getting right there at $187, $190. Some weakness, in fact, coming to the market. So in the near term, yes, the expectation can be for the market in Ethereum to move lower, but we actually have broken a very crucial resistance area into the market in Ethereum right here on this 4-hour bar. Now that tells you going forward that $184 has to be support in order to see that progression to move higher. And actually, only thing I'm really getting into the market for Ethereum is this type of trading right here, more or less consolidation of trading until we get another build up of energy to push us higher in price. So let me take a look at it on a 2-hour chart. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and continue to play the market in Ethereum to continue to see higher prices. The weekly and the daily time frame is continuing to show us that Ethereum is still maintaining its strength. Now, the only concern is going to be $190 as resistance. Okay. Now I'm going to hold the market, try to hold some support at 180. And I can see the market in Ethereum in the long term trying to hit $200. But again, that 190 can be a huge endurance in Ethereum trying to continue its move higher. So for that reason alone, we would TP the market at about $190. Well, I'll do at $190 and like 25 cents, give or take. Okay. But all in all, this is our expectation. The daily looks pretty good in the market for Ethereum, the weekly time frame as well. So we're going to expect this market in Ethereum to continue to move higher. At the top portion of our price range, 6.8% market move. But we are already told you that if we see some weakness coming to the market in Ethereum at $190.25, that we would TP the market in this space. But all in all, the market is still expected to move to the upside for this particular cryptocurrency. Okay. So this is our updated price move forecast for Ethereum. Now the question for you is, do you think that Ethereum is a huge buy right now? Let us know with a comment in the comment section of this video. And as always, make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all on the next one.